Hey everyone, I'm Radhi, your creative physio. Today we are going to talk about something super common. Yeah, you heard it. That's nothing but hiccups. We all get them. And sometimes they just don't stop. But do you know why they happen? It's really simple. So there's a muscle under your lungs called diaphragm. It moves up and down when you breathe, down when you inhale, and up when you exhale. But sometimes this muscle suddenly contracts or jerks by mistake. That quick contraction pushes air suddenly into your lungs, and your vocal cords close right after. That's what makes, yeah, this sound. It can happen if you eat too quickly, drink soda, laugh too much, or even when you get excited or stressed.
Yes!
So, yeah, I hope you understood the concept. So next time when you get hiccups, remember, it's just your diaphragm throwing a mini tantrum. Subscribe for more fun body facts every week. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and comment. Love you all. See you in the next video.